Hello friends, today I am going to show you a very unique recipe of potato sabji which is usually prepared during the time of Ekadashi. And today being Ekadashi, I would like to share this recipe with you all. Here I have taken half kg potatoes, ghee, pure ghee, rock salt, black pepper powder, grated ginger and lemon juice. Here I have heated ghee in a pan. When it is heated, I'll add the grated ginger to it. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now I'll be adding the potatoes to it. Now let's add rock salt. Add the salt as per your taste. Add lemon juice. And at the end, I'll add 1 more teaspoon of pepper powder. Let's mix it well. Let's place the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. As we have taken the boiled potatoes, it won't take time to cook. After 2-3 minutes, let's check our sabji. You can see that our sabji is ready. This potato sabji doesn't require any chili or any masala. Yet it tastes very yummy. We'll now remove it in a serving bowl. This is a unique sabji for Ekadashi, which you can have it with milk, curd or fruits.